Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today in this lab we are going to see how to configure ASA in ASA Firewall. So I have a simple topology where you can see two firewalls are ASA firewalls are there, and we have connected both firewall with a interface gigabyte 0/6 that will be going to act as a failover interface, and the management interface will be acting as a management. So our main purpose is to configure ASA between two firewall, and we'll see how long it will take to fail over all those type of thing. So I'm going to use this IP scheme 192.168.1.1 for the management, and 10.10.10.1 for the gigabyte 0/6 primary and 2 for the secondary. So let's get started. First, let me turn on the firewall, and we'll see all those things in detail. So as you can see, this is the phrase configuration, I mean scratch. There's no any configuration done still in this firewall. For example, password, default password. So interface IP, as you can see, all the interfaces are shut down and it is in default mode. So interface IP brief. Okay, so let's start the first. Let's start ASA firewall, and let's give a host name PRI, and let's give us this one config key host name SCC secondary. Done. So now let's go to interface management 0, ls 0/0. So IP address 192.168.1.1 255.255.255.0. Now shut down, right? So similarly, interface gigabyte 0/6 IP. What we have to do? We have to give a description. For example, LAN and state state. This is a name that you have to give. Fail description LAN failover INTR right? That's it. Now we'll do no shutdown. Similarly, now we have to enable the failover first. Enable the failover. Then we'll make as failover LAN unit primary, right? Similarly, failover LAN will question mark. It is showing as interface. Which interface we are going to give? Failover. We are going to give a name failover. Which interface? Here we need to type a manually GIGA BIT gigabit Ethernet. We'll copy it from here. Therefore, we'll copy it from here. Control C and Control B. Okay, failover. Now it is saying that all the configuration will be clear. Okay, done. Now what I'm going to do, failover now link. Now same thing, FO gigabyte 0/6, right? So now we need to assign a failover interface IP FO 10.10.10.1 255.255.255.0 and standby 10.10.10.2, right? That's it. It is done in the failover. Now primary. Now let's configure same thing in a secondary. So first we will go to the interface management 0/0. I will assign IP address 192.168.1.2 255.255.255.0. That's it. Now let's come to the interface. Let's enable a failover first. Okay, now failover LAN unit secondary, right? Now failover LAN interface, same failover. We need to type of failover same interface. We are going to use same 0/6. Okay, now failover link FO, same thing. These are the name that you have to type manually, and this is a name, and this after that you see after name if you do question mark it will show nothing, so you have to type interface manually. Therefore, let me copy one more time, Control C and Control V, right? Now let's give a IP address failover interface IP FO 10.10.10.2 255.255.255. Sorry, it should be same thing, 10.10.10.1, and standby should be this is the standby. So standby 255.255.255.0 standby. Same command, 192.16, sorry, 10.10.10.2. That's it. And so interface IP brief, we need to enable both interface management 0/0, no shutdown. Similarly, interface gigabyte 0/6, no shutdown. That's it. Now that is the configuration done. We'll see now detected active mode. Just wait for some time. So sending the mate. Now it is sending the active configuration between both our primary and secondary, and we'll see the logs. Replication mode to mate. It is sending the replication to the secondary. Now just we need to wait for some time. Now you can see it has been activated. Now both are primary, right? Now it is a see. So failover is on, failover unit is primary, and failover interface is 0/6, that is up, right? Now similarly, if you go to the secondary, now this LAN, so now it is saying that failover unit is secondary. So all those ASA is configured. Now the synchronization is done. So whatever, as you can now you can see it is hostname is primary, right? Now the second is the hostname was secondary here, SEC, but after the ASA, now it becomes the primary. Now if you go for the config T, what it will say, it is saying that configuration application is not permitted, not performed from the secondary unit to the unit. So what we have to do, it will not synchronize if we will configure on this primary. So what we have to do, okay, so whatever you are going to configure here from whatever you have to configure in primary only, and all the synchronization will be done to the secondary automatically. So that's it. I hope this video is informative for you, and thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.